So Bitcoin has officially crossed $100,000 and Ethereum is currently at $4,000. And the question coming through your head right now is, how can you find a coin that will do well? I'm talking about 100, 200, 500, 1,000% or even more, and buy them before they start pumping. So in this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step guide of how you can find these coins that are going to do well in the next few days, few weeks or few months, and then you can buy them very early and make insane returns afterwards. So this video is going to be of two categories. First, I'm going to talk about how you can find regular coins on the spot market. I'm talking about exchanges like Binance, Bybit, OKX, Mexi, and many other ones. And after that, I'm going to concentrate on meme coins. So I'm going to show you how you can find meme coins before they can start pumping. So if you like videos like this, I appreciate it if you like this video right now and subscribe to this channel. Help us to get to 50,000 subscribers this month. And let's get started with the video. To do this, I use a couple of websites. So first, I'm going to start with coinmarketcap. And other websites I'm going to use include TradingView and coinmarketcal. Now, this is not coinmarketcap. This is coinmarketcal, which is coinmarket calendar. So I'm going to use this website and a couple more websites as we proceed with the video. So first, let's start with coinmarketcap. I'm going to open up coinmarketcap. And what I'm going to do is, it depends on the amount of returns I want to get from a specific coin. So that return is what will tell me where I should actually focus my attention on. So this is the homepage of coinmarketcap, and over here it has top 100 coins. Now what you're going to do is filter this based on 7 days and look out for coins that have performed very well. You can see IOTA has done about 121% in 7 days, CRV 118%. You can look at the rest of them. Now let's start with IOTA. IOTA is currently sitting at $1.7 million market cap. So if you're looking for 100%, it simply means this coin has to go to about $3.4 billion market cap. Would that be possible? Yes, it is possible. Well, how fast can that be done? Well, we can't really tell because this is the bull market, but that could take the next 1 week or even up to like 1 month or thereabouts, depending on how good the market is. So it simply means if you're looking for more returns in the next 1 week or 1 month, that means you're going to focus on coins with lesser market cap, less than this $1.7 billion market cap. So I'm just going to go to the page 6. Okay, so this is the page 6, and you can see this Myra is number 1 here, and it's currently sitting at $108 million market cap. Okay, so let's click on 7 days, and you can see the best performing here is White Rock, which has done 195%. I can scroll down and look out for the ones that have not really performed that well, and I might want to do some research with regards to that. Let's check out this one, which is Tectum. I'm going to click on it, and you can place this and look at the chart. So this is quite down, and next thing you're going to do is just to do basic research. Go to their website, go to their socials, and look out for if everything really ticks for you. So if everything is actually fine, so the next thing you're going to do is go to coinmarketcal.com. So this is the homepage of coinmarketcal. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on keywords and search for Tectum. So let me get the spelling correctly. TECTUM. Okay. So they really don't have an event coming up very soon. So not a problem anyways, but I like to see the ones that have events in the next few days or few weeks or few months. And those events, I want to look out for if those events are key events that could actually push the coin to do very well within that period of time. So since I wasn't able to find any event for Tectum, not a problem anyways. I can go to TradingView now and let's search for TET and let's look out for the chart very well. So this is the coin right here. Now when you look at this chart right here, you can see this coin was created back in 2023, which is very fine. I don't want to focus on coins that have been existing for long. I just want to focus on recently created coins, let's say within 2021, 2022 to date. Okay, so I've been able to identify this, and look at the all-time high, somewhere around $45, and right now it's sitting at $10. What I want to do is I just want to do a little technical analysis. So first I will identify that there is a resistance somewhere around there. There's also kind of like a resistance somewhere around this point where it is sitting on right now. It actually broke above this resistance, so this is forming as a support right now. And let's also identify one more place for support, so you can see another place for support. So how do I draw this support and resistance? I actually do that by picking out places that touched a couple of times. So you can see this place actually touched a couple of times. Let me zoom this place very well so you see it properly. So you can see it touched here, and then for every time it touched this place, it moved up although it came down here and then moved up, came down, it touched this place again, moved up, came down, and here has always acted as a support whenever it comes down. If you look right here, this coin moved to this point and then it came down, moved up again, came down. So this is telling you that this is a resistance. It is stopping it from moving above this. And what did you notice? It touched here again the third time, it came down and finally broke out to this point. And although after it got to this point, it came down. And now if you look at this point here, this has been previous resistance region, so is actually respecting that region. So what are you seeing here? What I'm saying is something that has actually held perfectly well here, and this tells you that this is actually a very good entry point for this coin to enter. But right now we've missed out on this. So what are we going to do? This is also another good entry point because this is acting as a support. I'm seeing something like this. It went down, so this is the support, and it broke above this resistance. This region here used to be the resistance before, so it broke out. So I'm seeing something like a breakout, a retest, then a continuation. So you might get here, retest down here, or maybe somewhere around here, and then finally break out of here and continue upwards. So it simply tells you that this might be a very good point to actually buy this coin. Now another thing you can do is you might decide not to put all your money at this point and then just buying with, let's say you have $200 to buy this coin, for instance. You're only going to enter with, let's say, like $100. If it retraces down again to this point, you enter with $50 again, and if it comes down finally, you can enter with the rest of the balance. So that way you've actually gotten a better entry point. Maybe your entry point will be somewhere around there, which is good because when this coin starts going up again, you would actually be on profit. But note that this has to be after you've conducted your fundamental analysis and discovered that this coin is actually a good one to hold, and then check out the volume and see where it is actually listed on. You can see the volume right here is $2.3 million volume in 24 hours, which is not really bad. And look out for the market. You can see where it's listed, BitGet, Mexi, and other ones. So check out to see if there are buzz on their socials and see if people are talking about it a lot, and then you can go ahead and then buy this coin if it's okay for you. I'm not saying you should go and buy this coin because I'm not actually holding it. I only just use it as an example in this video. So this is basically how to do your research and then find coins that could do well in a couple of time. Now, if you know that if you're looking for coins that could give you way more return, you should actually focus on coins with lesser market cap, even way below these ones are actually called right here in this video. But you know that it is quite risky when you buy coins that have smaller market cap, so you actually need to do your research a lot so that you don't actually throw your money into somewhere and then you end up losing the money. So this is basically it about the first segment of this video. So if you're getting value so far from this video, I'll appreciate it if you like this video right away. And if you want to learn how to make money from cryptocurrencies and start doing some of these things by yourself, I made a cryptocurrency and meme coin course which is going to guide you on everything you need step by step, from a beginner's level to an expert level. Now go to the website uchecrypt.com to purchase that course. Now let's go over to the meme coin section of this video. Now to the second segment, which is about meme coins. Let me show you what to look out for when searching for meme coins. So first, I'll go to deskscreener.com, and what I want to do is I want to use filter and select platform. I want to do just Solana, and maybe sometimes if you want Ethereum, you can also do Ethereum too. Okay, so market cap, I just want to look for coins, let's say within $10 million. You can go lower. I go lower many times, but like it depends on what you want to achieve. So I'll just do $10 million to $50 million. And you want to look for the pair age. I'm just gonna put in let's say like 10 days. 10 days is 240 hours. That's because I want to look for coins that have been existing before now, not just recent coins that are quite shining, that could be pump and dump. So I can even do 480 days, which is 480 hours, which is equal to 20 days. So I'm just going to click on apply. So right here, it's able to filter these coins based on what I've selected. Now I want to look out for, let's say, selfie, and I'll open it up. So first thing I like to look out for is I'll look out for their socials, if it's very good, if it's engaging, if they're still actively building the project. I'll look out for the Telegram, look out for their website. And if all of those things ticks for me, because if I have to show you those things one by one, it's going to take, this video is going to take longer. So it's best you check out some of my previous videos about how to trade meme coins and how to find meme coins. It's going to be very, very helpful. This is the chart for it. So after you're done with this, let's focus on the chart, which is the next thing. So what am I seeing? This point right here is actually acting as a resistance. You can see at this point here, it touched here and then reverse. This place here was the support for it, so obviously this is a resistance because this is going up, and then there's likely tendency that it's going to struggle to break beyond this point. But once it breaks beyond this point, most likely it can continue going upward. So let's just draw out. I'm just going to pick out a horizontal line, and let me just capture this area here. So this is the area. You can actually use a rectangle to represent it too. Let's take out this and let's use a rectangle. That might be quite better. So the region in question is between here and here. So what am I expecting? This is currently sitting at $23 million market cap, and with the way it's moving, it might get here and come down again. It's very likely that it's going to happen. And if this coin still has the momentum, it might most likely break above this point and then have a retest within this region. So this is what you call breakout and retest, and can continue upward. So most persons actually want to wait for this breakout and retest to occur before actually entering this trade because it's quite safer for them. You might want to enter from this point based on what your research actually tells you. Now, once you've been able to identify this, the next thing you want to do is you want to check the holders. It is very important. I actually check the holders even before checking out this, doing some technicals on this particular coin. I want to click on this, and I'm just going to click on holders and who is holding the highest amount of tokens. You can see this wallet here is holding 2%, 1%. So you want to be sure that the top 10 are not holding a lot. Now this one is not inclusive. This is Radium. This is where you have all of the coins. So people actually go to Radium and buy this coin. So you don't include this one as holders count. What you're including is this one down here. These are what like people holding it. So I want to be sure that the people holding these coins are whales. We're just going to click on it, and you can see this guy is holding $670,000. Although $570,000 is in Selfie Dog and then some other coins like that. And you can see this one is holding $460,000. So you can check them and see what they are holding. I like to see that they are holding other coins in large quantity, not just this particular coin, because that's quite a red flag for me. I might just think that okay, most times it's like the same group of person that owns this token. Then the final thing I will just check out for is bubble map. You can see bubble map right here. I will just click on it and see how many wallets are actually connected together. This is going to help you so that just imagine if one person owns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wallets. Imagine if the person decides to dump all this token on the market. That's going to kill this coin, right? So you want to identify that some of these things are not linked. Although this is the bubble map V1, which doesn't have a lot of details. So the V2 is going to give you more details. But I think that's coming very soon. So once all your research actually ticks for you, you can go ahead to buy it. And also, you can also apply DCA just in case the token comes down to like this point. You can also try to buy again because this is actually a support, a very good support for it. You can try to buy again, and then if it goes down again to probably this point here, this is also another good support. You can also try to buy again and hodl it. So this is basically how you can find these coins and make insane returns in the next few days, few weeks, or few months. I really hope you're able to learn from this video, and if you want more videos like this, then make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and click on that notification bell so that whenever I release that video, you're going to see the video. And if you want to learn how to start making money from crypto, I made a cryptocurrency and meme coin mastery course. You can check out the link in the description. The website is uchecrypts.com. Go to the website and purchase the course, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.